Now moving on to India, where months after a devastating second wave of coronavirus infections, which led to the deaths of more than 200,000 people, India's health ministry has now reported the first 2 cases of the Omicron COVID variant.
Cases of Omicron have been detected in Karnataka so far through the genome sequencing effort of INSACOG consortium of 37 laboratories established by the Ministry of Health. We need not panic, but awareness is absolutely essential. COVID-appropriate behavior is required. Use of masks, hand hygiene, and not going to and not organizing mass gatherings will help breaking the chain of transmission of Omicron.
2 men have been found infected with a new variant, aged 66 and aged 46. The 66-year-old man who tested positive for Omicron was vaccinated with 2 doses and travelled from South Africa with a negative report. Meanwhile, the other 46-year-old man had developed symptoms of fever and body ache on 22nd of November, after which he stayed under home isolation for a day and later got admitted in a hospital for 3 days. The Indian Health Ministry has said that both the cases are mild, with no severe symptoms so far. It has also reiterated that all those who have come in contact with the 2 patients have been traced and are further being tested.
हमारे इंसाकॉग के नेटवर्क के द्वारा समय रहते उन केसेस को डिटेक्ट किया गया और जो हमारा प्रोटोकॉल है उसके तहत उनके सारे जितने भी कॉन्टैक्ट्स हैं उनको आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया गया है और उन सबको मॉनिटरिंग में रखा जा रहा है. तो जो हमारा प्रोटोकॉल है मैनेजमेंट का वह कार्य कर रहा है.
The Omicron variant has been classified as a variant of concern by the World Health Organization. As of now, the Omicron variant has been detected in 26 countries, including India. Meanwhile, as of now, India has reported a total of 10 positive cases that have arrived from at-risk countries, which is a list of countries from where travelers would need to follow additional measures on arrival in India. Currently, all the 10 who have tested positive for COVID-19 are being monitored closely. And for more on this, Principal Diplomatic Correspondent Sidhant Sibal has sent us this report.
India has confirmed first 2 cases of the Omicron variant of COVID virus. They have been detected in the southern Indian state of Karnataka. These are 2 males, and since the first case was detected in South Africa, since then there has been a cause of concern regarding this variant of COVID virus, and globally we have seen countries coming up with new measures, including India. India announced new measures when it comes to international travelers who are coming into the country, and in last 24 hours more than 35 flights have landed and people have undergone RT-PCR tests. There are few cases as well which have been detected with the virus, and they have been sent for further testing. But all in all, the message from the Indian government is that there is no need to panic, and we know that given what has been happening in last 2 years since the COVID crisis spread across the world, new rules, new protocols have come into effect, and this time the governments globally are much more prepared when it comes to dealing with any sort of eventuality. With video journalist Neeraj Patel, Sidhant Sibal for WION in New Delhi.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.